Hi my friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today in my kitchen I'm going to prepare a homemade Arabic masala powder, and that is called Mandi masala or Kabsa masala. And what all ingredients we need for that, I will tell you. Here we have taken coriander seeds. These are 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Okay, then black cardamom, I have taken 1 black cardamom. Then I have taken 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Then I have taken 2 teaspoons of cardamom pods, and then I have taken 2 teaspoons of cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons of cumin seed, then bay leaf. I have taken a small size of 3 to 4 bay leaves. Then I have taken 4 red chilies, dry red chilies, and I have taken clove, and that is 1 teaspoon of clove. Okay friends, then we will directly move to the roasting part. Friends, I have kept a kadai on the gas stove. Now I am switching the gas stove on. Okay, to this kadai or wok, I'll add all the dry whole garam masalas. Okay, so I'm adding red chilies, bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, coriander, whole coriander, black cardamom, cumin seed, black pepper. Everything I have added to this. Okay, now I'll just dry roast it. You will be getting a nice aroma when you are roasting it. At that time, just switch off your gas, and after cooling, then you can grind it. Okay, so after roasting, I'll show you. As you can see friends, nicely roasted, color is changed, aroma is coming. Now I'll just switch off the gas and I'll transfer this to the mixer. Now I'll grind and I'll make a powder out of this and I'll show you. So friend, here our Mandi or Kabsa masala is ready. It's a homemade and a very authentic Arabic masala. Please try this. Subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll again meet you in another recipe. Till then, be at home and be safe.